Hi everyone, and today we are going to explain the Microsoft Excel templates. The objectives of this lecture is knowing templates, templates types, templates importance, and templates applications. So why we should use templates? Because templates are ready, free, save your time, save your effort, improve your daily life management, and optimize your life. So this is a blank of picture of templates and templates usage, and you can find ready templates from Microsoft Excel by using File tab, New, Suggested Search. Okay. Let's get started with one of the most important personal budget templates, and this template is personal monthly budget. Here is our template today about personal monthly budget worksheet to track your projected and actual monthly income and projected actual cost. So the first step is to enter your expenses in various categories in the respective tables. Projected balance, actual balance, and difference are auto-calculated. So let's get started and show this template. The first thing you should to do is to enter your projected monthly income here and projected extra income here, and the total will be automatically calculated here. Also, you should enter your income, actual monthly income here and extra income here, and the total monthly income will be automatically calculated. Also, you should enter the various categories of your daily or monthly expenses. For example, according to housing, you should enter your projected cost and actual cost, and the difference will be automatically calculated. Okay, so for rent, enter the rent, the phone, electricity, gas, water, cable, waste removal, maintenance, supplies, and other expenses. Projected cost and actual cost. Okay, and for entertainment, for videos, CDs, movies, concerts, sports, events, and so on, enter also projected cost and actual cost, and the difference will be automatically calculated, and so on. For transportation, vehicle payment, insurance, fuel, maintenance, projected cost and actual cost. Loans, personal, student, credit card, and others, projected cost and actual cost. Also, for insurance, for your home, health, life, other, for enter projected cost and actual cost, and the difference will be automatically calculated. Taxes, in the same way, federal, state, local. Food, groceries, dining out, others. Saving or investment, retirement account, investment account, enter projected cost and actual cost. Also pets, food, medical, grooming, toys, others, enter projected cost and actual cost. Charity and donation, similarly to the previous categories. Okay, and enter legal and personal care. Okay, about medical, clothing, hair, health club, dry cleaning, organization, dues, fees, all these costs, projected cost and actual cost. And finally, you will find the total projected cost. In this tab, all the previous projected tab will be summed up here and calculated totally here. Okay, similarly, the total actual cost will be automatically calculated for all previous categories based on your expenses and your costs. And the total difference here are just the difference between the total projected cost and actual projected cost. Okay. And here there is projected balance. Projected balance is a projected income minus expenses. So you will find this calculation based on two terms. The first term is your total monthly income, and the second term is your total projected cost. Okay. Also, you will find the actual balance here, actual income minus expenses. So the calculated here are based in two terms. The first term is your total monthly income, and the second term is total actual cost. Okay. Also, you will find the difference, and the difference here is just actual minus projected. So this is about the personal monthly budget. You can calculate your projected balance, projected income, your expenses, your actual income, your actual expenses, and the difference between actual and projected. Thank you, and see you in the next template.